Hola, ¿qué tal? Hoy vamos a hablar del género en español. Today we're going to talk about the gender in Spanish. There is a general rule which says words ending in O are masculine and words ending in A are feminine. As for example, espejo, mirror, or ventana, window. But there are many exceptions, as we will see. Okay, let's talk first about the masculine. Male people and animals are masculine. Okay? El padre, the father. El hombre, the man. El chico, the boy. El toro, the bull. El gallo, the cock or the rooster. Okay, look at this word, nozzle. What is nozzle? I don't know. ¿Qué es nozzle? No lo sé. It's a made-up word, it's an invented word, which helps us to know that nouns in Spanish are masculine. So, if they end in N, O, R, S, E, L, they normally are masculine. Okay, let's see some examples. Ending in N, el camión, the lorry or the truck. El sillón, the armchair. El plan, the plan. Ending in O, el palo, the stick. El pato, the duck. El carro, the car or the carriage. Ending in A, el calor, the heat. El color, the color. El picor, the itching. Ending in S, el martes. Tuesday, el as, the ace. So we have seen ending in N, O, R, S. Let's see now E and L, okay? Ending in E, el coche, the car. El puente, the bridge. El pincel, the brush. El sol, the sun. El árbol, the tree. Then we have words ending in A, yes, in A, and are masculine. And they have the same root in English and Spanish. They come from Greek. For example, el poema, the poem. El planeta, the planet. El drama, the drama. El sistema, the system. El mapa, the map. El problema, the problem. El programa, the program. Okay, you see, there are words ending in A and they are masculine. Okay, and are almost the same in English and Spanish. Poem. Okay, planet, planet. Drama, drama is the same. And so on. Okay. Okay, now we have the days of the week. They are all masculine. El lunes, el martes, el miércoles, el jueves, el viernes, el sábado, el domingo. So, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And in sentences like this one, we say, ella llegó el lunes. And in English, you say, she arrived on Monday. Okay? El lunes on Monday. We don't say en lunes. Okay? As in English. We say el lunes. Okay, let's see something about animals. How do we know if an animal is masculine or feminine? It's difficult to know. If we don't know the sex, if we see an animal in the street or in nature, we say el perro, el gato, el tigre, el león, la foca, la ballena. El perro, the dog, el gato, the cat, el tigre, the tiger, el león, the lion, la foca, the seal, la ballena, the whale. We don't know if they're male or female. Sometimes we replace an O with an A, okay? Or el perro, the dog, la perra, the bitch, okay? El gato, la gata, the cat in English. El león, la leona, okay? The lion, the female lion, okay? We have some of them which are different in masculine and feminine. For example, el caballo, la yegua, the horse, the mare, or el toro, la vaca, the bull, the cow, el gallo, la gallina, the cock or the rooster, and the hen. And sometimes we have to specify the sex. For example, la foca macho, the male seal, okay? La ballena hembra, the female whale. Okay, let's talk about the feminine now. Female people and animals. For example, la madre, the mother, la mujer, the woman, la chica, the girl, la foca, the seal, la perra, the bitch. Okay, usually words ending in A are feminine. La casa, the house, la maleta, the suitcase, la ropa, clothes, la guitarra, the guitar. And there is an exception, and probably there are more. But look at this one, el día, the day. Okay, it ends in A, but it is el día. Okay. Most words ending in umbre, ie, dad, tad, or is are feminine. Okay. For example, la costumbre, the habit, la serie, the series, la ciudad, the city, la facultad, the faculty, la crisis, the crisis. Okay, some words in Spanish, some nouns, beginning with stressed A, stressed A, require el, although they are feminine. Okay? For example, la aula, we don't say that because la a doesn't sound good. Okay? So it's not la aula, but el aula. Okay? The classroom. El agua, the water. El área, the area. El águila, the eagle. But if we add an adjective like clara or pequeña or whatever, it continues being feminine. Okay? El agua clara. Okay? But el águila pequeña, okay, but el, okay, the clear water or the small eagle, okay. We use el so as not to make it sound wrong, okay. And let's practice now with the filling. You have to use el or la. masculine or feminine. Okay? Okay, this is a good moment to subscribe if you like the video, and you will have the link of the test in the description below. Okay, so let's start. Dame maleta, por favor. I'm sure you know la maleta. Okay, give me the suitcase, please. Agua está fría. El agua está fría. We don't want to say la agua. That doesn't sound right, okay? El agua está fría. The water is cold. Estamos visitando ciudad. La ciudad, okay? We are visiting the city. ¿Sabes tocar guitarra? ¿Sabes tocar la guitarra? Okay. Can you play the guitar? Number 5. Llegaremos lunes. It's a day of the week. We said they are all masculine. Okay, so we will arrive. We're arriving on Monday. Okay, el lunes. Toro está con vaca. Okay. El toro está con la vaca. The bull is with the cow. Number 7. Calor te hace sudar. Okay. El calor te hace sudar. The heat makes you sweat. Number 8. Árbol es muy alto. El árbol es muy alto. You're right. The tree is very tall. Number 9. Puente es muy largo. El puente es muy largo. The bridge is very long. Number 10. Problema es difícil. Okay, it is similar to English. It ends in A and it comes from Greek, so it is masculine. El problema es difícil. The problem is hard or difficult. Okay, so and that's all. I hope you liked it, and see you in the next video. Adiós.